Edibles information channel. Today I'm going to talk about edible plants. The ones I'm going to talk about are the daisy, the daylily, elderflower, the sunflower, sweet viola and the wild bergamot. To begin with, I talk about the daisy. The daisy is a widespread flowering plant native to Europe and the temperate regions of Asia and introduced to Northern America, Australia and New Zealand. It has additional names: common daisy, dog daisy and moon daisy. The unopened flower buds can be marinated and used in a similar way as creepers. Griever's Modern Herbal 1931 states that the taste of the dried herb is bitter and tingling. Moving on to the daylily. The daylily is a flowering plant in the genus Hemicolis. The flower of the daylily are edible and are used in Chinese cuisine. They are sold fresh or dried in Asia markets as gum jam or golden needles or yellow flower vegetables. They are used in hot and sour soup, which is called daylily soup. Moving on to the elderflower. The elderflower occurs in temperate to subtropical regions in the world. There are between 5 and 30 species of deciduous shrubs and small trees. The leaves are pinnate with 5 to 9 leaflets. Each leaf is 5 to 30 centimeters long and the leaflets are serrated margins. They bear large clusters of small white or cream-coloured flowers in the late spring, then they are followed by clusters of small black, blue-black or red berries. The French, Austrians and Central Europeans produced elderflower syrup commonly made from an extract of elderflower blossoms, which is diluted with water as a drink or as a flavouring for food. The berries can also be made into a wine. Moving on to the sunflower. The sunflower is an annual plant with a large head. The stem of the flower can grow up to 30 meters tall, with a flower head that can be 30 centimeters wide. The sunflower is the state flower of Kansas. That is why Kansas is sometimes called the sunflower state. Sunflower seeds are sold as a snack. Sunflowers can be processed into peanut butter, alternatively called sun butter. It is also sold as food for birds and can be used directly in cooking and salads. Sunflower oil extracted from the seeds is used for cooking and to produce margarine. Moving on to the sweet viola. Sweet viola is a species of the genus Viola native to Europe and Asia and also can be found in England. It is a hardy, herbaceous flowering perennial. The sweet scent of this flower has proved popular throughout the generations, particularly in the late Victorian period, and has consequently been used in the production of many cosmetic fragrances and perfumes. In the United States, the sweet viola syrup is used to make scones and marshmallows. The leaves of the sweet viola are also edible. In herbal medicine, V. odorata has been used for a variety of respiratory ailments, insomnia and skin disorders. Moving on to my last one, the wild bergamot. Wild bergamot, or bee balm, is a wild flower from the mint family. Wild bergamot is an herbaceous perennial that grows from slender creeping rhizomes that commonly occur in large clumps. The plant can grow to 3 feet tall. The flowers are a light purple colour and the leaves are the same as the mint. Wild bergamot was considered as a medical plant. It was used most commonly to treat colds and was frequently made into tea. Today, many families still use wild bergamot during the cold and flu season. The tea may be sweetened with honey as it tends to be quite strong. The leaves can also be eaten boiled with meat.